I know there are only 3 shopping days left, but they called and they want to see your house in an hour. Uh-huh.
Mommy, Buzz, turn off the music. No problem. Mom!
Hang on, Viv. Let's just sister rehearse.
That'll help.
Clean up the kitchen.
What?
Now? Okay, Viv, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I thought I told you to clean up the kitchen.
I did. Can I go to the movies tonight with some friends?
No.
No.
No. I'm showing a house and I need you to babysit Kevin.
Why can't Megan do it?
Because she has to go to rehearsal at the teen center and you don't have to go to the movies.
I do if I want a life.
You're babysitting Kevin. Hey, where is he anyway? Kevin!
What is it? What is it? The car!
Merry Christmas, Mommy.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
What did I get?
Okay, everybody get in the shot. Everybody get together.
Hey.
All right, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Oh.
Merry funny fun.
Last Christmas, huh?
Yeah. This Christmas isn't going to be any fun.
Well, of course it will. Honey, we're gonna do all the same things we've always done. Sing Christmas carols, be with family and friends, put cookies and milk out for Santa. It's gonna be just the same.
Except this year. No, Dad.
Right. That's the one thing that's different.
Why can't you just get back together?
Honey, we're just gonna have to let that go.